Alright, so it's the day before New Year's. I'm at my grandparents' house, as you can tell, but we just did Christmas here, and I got 4. So we're gonna open all these, because I want to open all these. There's a chance for shinies in this pack, I think, and there's some good cards in this. So let's open them. So I'm gonna start with the non-Eternus pack, the Grimmsnarl pack, the Grimmsnarl G, or the Grimmsnarl V Max pack, excuse me. Alright, so I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, let's see. I got a black card, let's go! Black code card, so that's good. If you get the white code cards, they're pretty much like not that good. So 4, and let's see what we get. So we got a Water Energy, Soul Rock, Relicanth, Team Yellhorn, Shelmet, Canporg, Teddiursa, Rickety, excuse me, Torchic, Reverse Hollow Steenie, and a Hydreigon. So nothing with that, that's okay. Alright, let's go with one of the Eternatus packs now. Really excited about this, guys. Just, you know, because it's... got a white code, so that's not good. Okay. Alright. Fighting Energy, whatever this is. Vibrava, Carablast, Galarian Darumaka, Larvitar, Nickit, Sweet, Reverse Hollow Tauros, and a Liepard. Alright, let's do the second. This is the first to last Eternatus pack. This is Eternatus V. And this is, if you guys are wondering, this is the Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze set. That's pretty good. And okay, we got a not white code card. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Electric Energy, Dedenne, Trainer, Solrock, Rowlet, Jigglypuff, which I got a shiny of in Let's Go randomly the other day. Oh, is that a shiny Diglett? Oh no, it's just it's a normal Diglett. Nice. Panport, sorry, I thought that was shiny because I saw sparkles. Spinarak, Lunatone, and Staraptor. Okay, I must have miscounted. Okay, and I just knocked some over. Great. Yeah, I must have miscounted, but it was a Reverse Hollow Lunatone, which is pretty nice. So, I'm going to try to organize these here, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, here's the last pack. Here we go. Let's see if we get something good. These have something good in it. These have something in it. And it's a white code card, so it's not good. Okay. Dark Energy, Relicanth, Yellhorn, Ursaring, Downsweet, Dunsparce, Electrike, Mr. Rhyme, or Galarian Mr. Mime, sorry. That is a Grimer, Reverse Hollow, Wimpod, ooh! And a Toxtricity Hollow. That is very nice. Ooh. Alex looks like a nice card. Look at that. That's a holo, and that's a nice card. That's a really nice card. Yeah. I mean, we didn't really get any good cards in this set, but, like, this is a good card. Honestly, I would take this as a good card. This is a really good card. I'm so glad we got this. Sweet. Yeah, guys. So, that was my Pokemon card opening for tonight. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I got some plans for New Year's Eve that I'm going to do. We're going to try to get out a stream on Twitch, hopefully. I'm going to do some stuff with that. Overall, I'm very happy with the cards that I got. Just let me go through them real quick. Just make sure I get them turned all the right way so when I go home. I got some stuff planned for tomorrow. So we're going to do some cool stuff tomorrow. I won't see y'all in the morning. I'll probably see y'all like during New Year's Eve. Probably do a stream on Twitch. My Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Amphi1325 if you want to go watch. Really, other than that, I don't have any other plans for tonight. So, yeah, just enjoy your night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for New Year's Eve. Peace.